Tuesday kusasa we are playing against a very strong Sekhukhune United FC. What will Coach Nabi lineup be? And also, Kaizer Chiefs are about to make another big moves on the transfer market. So make sure to stay tuned into the video, like the video, and also comment it down below. Let's jump straight into it. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Amakonsistent Podcast. This is where ozithola khona zishisa pe. I am your host Manqoba Nqobo, all the way from eGreat Town. Sona namhlanje bafethu nginiphathele zona zishisa pe. As always bafethu, please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to reach 4,000 subscribers, so please guys, support, keep on supporting me, keep on commenting, keep on liking the videos. Namhlanje I will be predicting the starting lineup of Kaizer Chiefs against Sekhukhune United, right? The strong and stubborn Sekhukhune United. And also we'll be talking about the loans moves that Kaizer Chiefs wanna make with these youngsters who are not getting game time at Kaizer Chiefs. So let's start about the loans, right? Samkelo Zwane is one of the players who is looking to be loaned this season. Last time I checked, I'm not sure if Sewelele or Opis College were interested in him. Those teams, they were interested in signing Samkelo Zwane. So let's just wait and see what happens to him. I really wish him to go and play on loan and play and convince us as fans and come back stronger. The other guy who will be loaned out, of course, is Donai Jansen. Last season ubekuyiloni akayitholanga game time eningi lapha ku-Super Sports. I won't lie, wabuya still. We didn't see much of him last season because he was playing at Super Sports. He didn't get enough time. So hoping ukuthi uzothola i-team ezomthemba, imnikeze enough time and then come back very strong because he's also a good player. Those are two youngsters I know ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs will try to loan them this season, definitely. So we are playing, guys. This match iyangithusa kakhulu because Sekhukhune United, they are strong defensively. They are aggressive when they attack. They play good football, especially in the middle of the field. So this match will be won in the middle of the field. So we really need a strong midfielders. So let's just jump straight into the starting lineup. On goal, we all know Ntshebe will start. No debate, no what. We know Fiacre Ntshware performed really well when playing for Rwanda, but this game needs someone who's confident, like Brendan Peterson. He will start in goals. Our left back, I forgot to mention, I'm not sure if coach will rotate his squad because we also have a game on Saturday, ECAF, and we are traveling. So I'm not sure what he will rotate the squad for players to rest, because we all know when you travel, you get those jet fatigue, what. So I'm not sure if coach will rotate the squad, but what I'm sure about is that Brendan Peterson will start. And at the left back, that's where things get interesting, because Marco has been performing and Bradley Cross is also back and available for selection. And it looks like Nkanyiso Shinga is also available for selection. So, but my prediction, I'm going with Upaseka Marco. because I think Ukros will need him when we play as Angola. Right back, I think Monyane will start unless coach decides to rotate him with Riff Rosler, who's available. Also, our centre back, I don't think they need to be rotated because they need to stay consistent, and the connection between them needs to develop. So if we rotate them, then there will be spitzy pit. So I think they will stay the same with Miguel and also Quinic. Mind you, there's Lomfana Omncane, Eden McCarthy is also back, fit and available for selection. So we'll see, guys. But this is mine predicted starting lineup. This is my back four and the goalkeeper with right back, left back Marco, right back Monyane, center back pairing Miguel and Quinic. You can also comment down below and tell me your starting lineup. I think this game will need double pivots. We don't need a number 8 who will do a box to box. So by the double pivots, I mean we'll play 2 CDMs. They will not like stay at the back all the time, but we need 2 CDMs to protect that back four and also be able to play the ball in the middle of the field, because this game will be won in the middle of the park, because those guys Abeskukun in the middle of the park, they are cooking. So we'll need 2 CDMs, which are Umthethwa, Ox and Ucele Induna Yendawo. The combination is working, guys, so we need them. Also, we'll play with an attacking center midfielder, Mtutuze Shabalala, who can come and also track back to defend when Iskukuni have the ball and go into attack. When we have the ball, Tutuze Shabalala will start at the center, at ACM, attacking center midfield. On our right wing, the lollipop guys. Stop criticizing this man. This man is a warrior. He's playing for the badge. He wants to. He doesn't want to prove. He wants to score. He wants to do everything for the team. Even if akaskoranga kuleyo game noma asistanga noma kenzanga, but the impact of him in the game iyabonakala uLilepo. So please don't underestimate him. And he will be starting as our right back. We all know as our right winger, not like right back. We also know we have Umfundo Vilakazi, who can also start in this match, just to rest uLilepo, and then Komgqibelo bese yaqala uLilepo. But I think this game is also important, because if we can win against teams like Sekhukhune, we will be showing ukuthi we are going forward. Yeah, our left winger, I think Pulemoti will be there, because he can track back, defend and also attack. He's been a good player. Our striker, this is where things get really interesting, because we have the new boy, Khanyisa Mayo, who can also play as a wing, who can also play as a number 10. I'm not sure if he will be available for this match for selection, but we have him. We also have Usilva. Etiosi Kotaro is injured. We have Uduba. Naledi Hlongwane has been training with DDC team. So between Usilva and Uduba, players who will start this match, but I'm going with Flavio da Silva. What do you think about my starting lineup prediction? If you want, you can also drop yours down below. Usho ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi kuzoqala bani in goals kuze kuyofika kwi-striker. Please bafethu support my channel. I'm trying to reach 4,000 subscribers, and mangafika lapho ngizojabula kakhulu. Also guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Thank you for watching. See you on another one. Danko.